Hi, hello, very good evening. Once again, welcome back to the session, everyone. This is your mentor, Kabilan. Um, in this session, we'll be seeing the topic Surds and Indices. Definitely, this would be very useful and very crucial when it comes to the topic called simplification. Okay, so definitely in quantitative aptitude, we'll be having a topic called simplification where maximum and most of the questions will be using the basic laws of Surds and Indices. Okay, so we'll see to that accordingly. Before getting into the question, session, let me introduce about myself. My name is Kabilan. I've been in the teaching field for the past 3 years. I've also mentored more than 1,000 students, and I've also converted various Indian Institute of Management. Right. So if you personally like my videos and stuff, kindly don't forget to follow me on the Telegram channel TANCET MBA and also in the Unacademy Learning app, which you can download it from your Play Store. And you can follow me by using my user ID Kabilan. So definitely, when it comes to the social media platforms, we have a brand new channel, Unacademy CAT4MBA. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, our Telegram channel. So talking about the Unacademy Plus subscription. Anybody who's interested for CAT 2021, definitely you can enroll in the Unacademy Plus subscription. By using my discount code KABI10, where you will get absolute 10% off. So that after 10% off, your final tariff for 1 year it's gonna be 15,750, and for 2 years it is 18,900. Right? Let me cross check whether I'm actually live or not. Yeah. So if anybody there in the live chat, kindly give me a hi in the live chat. You can lively interact with me and ask your doubts and get it clarified. Yeah. So for 2 years, it's gonna be 18,900. So Unacademy plus subscription for 1 year, it is 15,750. That is for CAT. If you really want to take it up for CAT 2021, you can start enrolling in our batches. And here we have the weekly scholarship test. That is Unacademy, that's the Unacademy Combat Challenge, where every week you have a scholarship test where you can lively compete with the best actually. The questions will be curated by the experts. Definitely worth taking the scholarship, and you can literally check where you stand in the All India League leaderboard. So it will be super fast and fun. And kindly make sure you register now using my unlock code KABI10, and also in this following date, that is on the 28th of Feb, exactly tomorrow 12 p.m. we have the scholarship test happening. And if you're really interested, kindly register now for free and attend the scholarship test. And if you top the scholarship, you can win exciting prizes and scholarships up to 28 plus lakhs. Right? So talking about the Unacademy Iconic Batch 2021, what makes it different from the Plus batch is that you'll be getting all the benefits of Plus subscription. Along with that, you'll be put up with a personal mentor who will be guiding you 24/7 in your preparational process. And the mentor will be he'll be a graduate from the top B schools. And he'll be given a proper test analysis and reports Based on your performance, you can literally check where you stand and what is your weak areas, and you can eventually get able to improve it. And the third most important thing is we concentrate on other management entrance tests as well. That is, not only for CAT exams, but also for MAT, ZAT, SNAP, CMAT, GRE, whatever various exams we have, we concentrate for that exams as well. Okay. So here we have the testimonials who crack CAT with absolute 99 percentile. And there is one more beautiful option called Ask a Doubt, where if you simply install the Unacademy Learning app, at the top right corner you could see an option called Ask a Doubt. So while you're preparing, let's say in between, if you encounter a question where for that you can't even get to proceed, or if you got stuck with any of the steps in the solution, definitely you can take that question, a photograph of it. You can select the picture of the question and you can crop it nicely to highlight the specific question, and don't forget to mention which topic the question falls under. For example, if it falls under the quantitative aptitude, kindly mention quantitative aptitude and just click upload. So if you do so, you can sit tight, you will receive the solution for that very soon. Okay, so we'll make sure you get your doubts clarified very instant. Okay, so this is one beautiful option for here for all the learners. And here we have the Unacademy Learning testimonials for the Crack CAT 2021 who have secured absolute 99 percentile and have placed in top B schools. So if you aspire to be one for the next year, definitely you can enroll in our batches, which are started from 27th of Feb, that is on today. It is going to be the complete weekend batch for CAT 2021. And 1st of March, it's going to be late night batch 3.0 for CAT 2021. And 1st of March, it is the final lab revision for the CMAT exam 2021. So guys, here we have the batches which are enrolling, which are kickstarting. So if you really wish to enroll, you can enroll in any of the batches which are flexible for you, your time and convenience. So with that positive note, let's enter today's topic called Surds and Indices. So first of all, we need to know what is Surds and Indices, right? So let me just give you the difference, exact difference between the Surds and Indices. If you take Surds is nothing but all the mathematical operations that deals with the roots in powers, and indices is nothing but the plural of index. So first of all, let me just give you some of the various laws of index and Surds. Okay, first let's talk about the laws of indices. The first important law which we really want to understand is, let's say if I have a power m into a power n, listen carefully, how this can be written: a power m into a power n. So indices is nothing but all the mathematical operations that that is related with the powers. Okay, the mathematical operations that is related with the powers are called indices in mathematical term, and Surds, the mathematical operations that is related with the roots in powers, that is called as Surds. Okay, first let's see the laws of indices. So listen carefully. Here A is called as base and M is called as power. Like in the same way, here A is called as base, M is called as power. So if the bases are same, then you need to simply add the powers. That's it. So it's going to be A power M plus N. That's it. So if the bases are same, just simply add the powers. If they are in multiplication, what if they are in division? That is A power M by A power N. If they are in division, then it's going to be A power M minus N. So if they are in multiplication, add the powers. If they are in division, subtract the power. Subtract the denominator from the numerator. That's it. Okay. And the second important thing, Let's say if I have a power m the whole power n, a power m the whole power n, this can be written as a power m into n. That's it. That is, if you have powers out of powers, let's say for example, if you have 2 power 2 the whole power 3, 2 power 2 the whole power 3 can be written as 2 power 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So it can be written as 2 power 6. Right? So let's say if I have AB the whole power n, this power n, it is it is for both a and b. So it can be written as a power n into b power n. So a power n into b power n can be written as ab the whole power n, and the last law, if you see, a power 0, anything power 0, it's going to be absolutely 1. So these are the various laws of surds and the laws of indices and the laws of surds. You see, as I told you already, the mathematical relations that deals with the roots and powers. Okay, so the first important surd that we really need to understand is, let's say if I have a power root n, a power root n can be written as a power. Always remember, if I want to convert this root into the power, this is going to be a power 1 by n. That's it. If it is a root 3, then I can write this as a power 1 by 3. That's it. Okay. Now the second important law, if I have AB root n, AB root n can be written as a root n into b root n. That's it. So how it is practically possible? Let's say if you have root 2 into root 3, root 2 into root 3 can be written as root 6. That is 2 into 3 will give you 6. And the next important thing, if I have a power root n the whole power n, what happens here? Absolutely, n and n get cancelled, so it's going to be a ultimately. And next, if I have a power root n, a root n root m. If you have multiple roots, it's going to be a root m into n. You need to simply multiply the roots. That's it. Okay. And the last important rule, if you have a power root n, that is a root n the whole power m can be written as a power m root n. That's it. So that's it, guys. We have 5 laws in surds and 5 laws in indices. So if you're really clear with this, all these laws, then we can straightly go for the question. We'll try to do that one by one. Okay. So let me take you to the very first question for today's session. Come on. I just want everybody to give me a right option for the given one. First one. Of 8 root 8 the whole power 1 by 3. Okay. So what we can do exactly? What's going to be the right option for this? So you have root 8 the whole power 1 by 3. That's your question, guys. Come on. So what we can do exactly here? Undoubtedly, I can write this as what? 2 cube is nothing but 8. So instead of 8, let me write this as 2 cube. And 1 by 3 is nothing but cube root. So cube and cube root gets cancelled, and the answer for this question is ultimately option. That is 2 is actually the right answer for the given question. Okay, we'll go for the next one. Come on. Second question. The value of 5 power 1 by 3 into 125 power 0.25 is. What is the answer? What is the option for the second one? Come on, guys. So what we can do exactly here, listen carefully. 5 bar 1 by 4 is nothing but 5 root 4 into this 125. Listen carefully. 125, I can write this as 5 bar 3. 5 bar 3 will give me 125, right? So, and also this 0.25. 0.25, I can write this as 25 by 100, which is nothing but 1 by 4, right? You're getting this, guys. So listen very carefully. 125, I can write this as 5 bar 3, the whole bar 1 by 4. Right. So let me keep this 5 bar 1 by 4 as it is. So what I can do exactly here, 5 bar 1 by 4 into 5 bar 3 by 4. Right. So if we try to do this, if the bases are same, you need to add the powers. So it's going to be 5 bar 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, which is ultimately 1. 5 bar 1 is 5 exactly. So the answer for the second question, it is undoubtedly option C. 5 is actually the right answer. Okay. You're getting this, everybody. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you're really clear with this. I kept this 5 bar 4 as it is. I just broke down this 125 bar 0.25 to be 125. I wrote it as 5 cube. 5 cube will give you 125. And 0.25 I wrote it as 1 by 4. So 5 cube bar 1 by 4. So as we know, the laws of indices, that is a bar m, the whole bar n is equal to a bar m into n. That's what I did here. Okay, so I'll be getting 5 bar 3 into 1 by 4 will become 3 by 4. Clear? Let's go for the third question, guys. Come on. What's going to be the right option for the third? What is the right option for the third? Quickly, come on. The value of 32 by 243, the whole power minus 4.5. What is the value for this? See, நீங்க என்ன lead எடுக்கலாம்னா, listen very carefully. இங்க உங்களுக்கு 32 இருக்கு. You need to make this 32 look, convert it with powers. So if at all, if you want to convert this in powers, the only way which you have is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 will give you 32. Like in the same way, go for 243 as well. So 243, if you go, 3 power 3 is 27, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 will exactly give you 243. Okay, we have got these things in powers now. Simply go and substitute in the question. So 32 by 243, the whole power minus 4.5. This could be written as 32 is nothing but 2 power 5 divided by 3 power 5. The whole power minus 4 by 5. All good? So I can do what? It's going to be 2 by 3 into 5 into minus 4 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled. Listen very carefully, guys. If at all, so I'll be left with what? 2 by 3, the whole power minus 4. If I want this power to be in positive, I just want to do the reciprocal of it. What I should do here, it should be 3 by 2, the whole power 4. That's it. So 3 power 4 is 81 and 2 power 4 is 16. So undoubtedly it's going to be option D. 81 by 16 will exactly give you the right answer for the third one. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you're really clear with this, guys. Come on. Very good. Very good, Abhinaya. 81 by 16 is actually the right answer. All good? We'll go for the next one. Yeah, come on. That is 1 by 216, the whole power minus 2 by 3, divided by 1 by 27, the whole power minus 4 by 3. What is the right option for the fourth? Come on, guys. Again, as I told you already, you got to see a question, a number. Here you have the number 216. What are you going to do exactly with this 216? I know the fact that 6 power 3 is 216. Right? Like in the same way, if you go for 27, 27 is nothing but 3 power 3. 27 can be written as 3 power. Simply substitute in the values, which means 1 by 216, the whole power minus 2 by 3, divided by 1 by 27, the whole power minus 4 by 3. This can be written as, see, 1 by 216, the whole power minus 2 and 3, 2 by 3 can be written as 216, the whole power 2 by 3. If I do reciprocal, the sign in the power gets the opposite, right? So if I do reciprocal of 1 by 2 and 6, it will become plus 2 by 3. Right? Divided by, like in the same way, it's going to be 27 power 4 by 3. Right? So now substitute the values that we got here. 216 is nothing but 6 power 3, the whole power 2 by 3. And if at all, if I do, if I bring this 27, it is 27 is nothing but 3 power 3, the whole power 4 by 3. Now what happens? It is 6 power 3 into 2 by 3 divided by 3 power 3 into 4 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled here, and you will be left with what? 6, 6 power 2 is 636 divided by 3 power 4 is 81. Right? So if you try to divide this, what you will be getting exactly? If you try to divide this, it will be 12. And ultimately you'll be getting 4 by 9. So the right answer for the given question is option C. 4 by 9 will exactly give you the wrong answer. Very good guys. Very good, Shiva Subramaniam, Meghna, Abhinaya, good. Let's go for the next one, come on. So what is given here? 2 power n plus 4 minus 2.2 power n divided by 2.2 power n plus 3 equal to 2 power minus 3. Okay? Come on, just try to do this. Guys, I think there is a mistake in the question. Okay, really sorry. There is a printing mistake in the question. It should not be equal to 2 minus 3. It should be plus. Okay, it is not equal to. It is plus. So you need to find what this one equals to. This one equals to what? This is what you need to find. Okay, it is not equal to. It is plus. Kindly change it. Come on, try to do this, guys. What's going to be the right option for the fifth? Quickly. So if you see here, has anybody got the right answer for this? Has anybody got the right answer for the fifth? Listen, what I can do exactly, no? This 2 power n plus 4, I can able to split this as 2 power n into 2 power 4 minus I'll be getting 2 into 2 power n divided by 2 into 2 power n plus 3 plus 2 power minus 3. Okay. Again, I can write this as, listen, if at all, if I take 2 power n common outside, 2 power n if I take common outside, this will be 2 power 4 minus 2 divided by 2 power 2, see, 2 into 2 power n into 2 power 3. So 2 power n gets cancelled, plus 2 power minus 3. So what I will be left with? So we'll be left with 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. 16 minus 2 is 14 divided by 2 power 4 is nothing but 16 plus here 2 power 3 is nothing but 1 by 2 power minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 8. So if we try to do so, we'll be getting LCM is 16. So 16 that is actually 14 plus 2 divided by 16. We'll be getting exactly 16 by 16, which is ultimately 1. So the answer for this question is option D. 1 is actually the right option for the given question. Is that clear, guys? Kindly give me a thumbs up. You just need to split this one. That's it. You split it and take 2 power n common outside, that will get cancelled. And you'll be left with the numbers alone. You can simplify it and get the answer for that. Right? Come on, we go for the next question. Oh, sorry. Next question for you. Come on, just give it a try for the 6th question of today's session. So we have 5 root 5 into 5 power 3. by 5 power minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 power a plus 2. You need to find what is the value of a. Come on. So what is the value of a? That's your question. So what I can do simply, here it is nothing but, listen, I can write this one as 5 into 5 power 1 by 2. Root 5 is nothing but 1 by 2, right? So into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 power a plus 2. So if that is the case, again, if all the bases are same, I can simply add the powers. So it's going to be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3. And if I bring this, 5 divided by 5 power minus 3 by 2 to the numerator, it will become 5 power 3 by 2 equal to 5 power a plus 2. So if I simply keep one single base and add all the powers, LCM is 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 power a plus 2. So I'll be getting what ultimately? 9, 10, 12. So 5 power 12 by 2 is equal to 5 power a plus 2. So this one will be 5 power 6 is equal to 5 power a plus 2. And listen carefully. If your left hand side base is equal to a right hand side base, if the bases are same, then simply equate the powers. So 6 is equal to a plus 2 means then a is equal to. So the answer for the sixth question is undoubtedly option A. Answer is 4. The value of A is 4. Right? Simple. Is that clear, guys? Yeah. Answer is 4. That's the right answer. Very good, Abhinaya. Let's go for the next question. Yeah. Go on. If root 2n is equal to 64, then find the value of n. Come on. Very easy question. If root 2n is equal to 64, you need to find what is the value of n. Come on, again the answer. They have said root 2n is equal to 64. What is the value of n? Is anybody has got the answer? Gayatri, Abhinaya, Shiva, Meghna, Vasant. If anybody has got the right option, come on, kindly let me know in the live chat. So, Annamallah, what is the lead which we can take it up here? None of these. Yeah. Is that the right option? Oh, I'm really sorry. There is an error in the question actually. There's an error in the question. It is actually root 2 power n. It is not 2n. It is root 2 power n. It is root 2 power n is equal to 64. So undoubtedly what then? 64, you can write 64 as 2 power 6. That's it. Is that clear? So I can simply write this as root 2 power n by 2 is equal to 64. I can write this as 2 power 6. So if that is the case, if the bases are same, I'll simply equate the powers. N by 2 is equal to 6 means n is equal to, it's going to be option B. Answer is 12. Sorry guys, it is not root 2n, it is root 2 power n. Okay? It is root 2 power n. If that is the case, then your answer is, the value of n is 12. Clear everybody? Yes, very good. Go for the next, come on. I'll better write the question correctly. That is, you have x power 7 by 2 divided by x power 5 by 2 into root y power 3 divided by root y. What is this value? The value you need to find it. So it's going to be what? What we can do? If they are in, the bases are same. So it's like what? A power m divided by a power n. It's going to be a power m minus n, right? So it's going to be x power 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Into, here if you take y, y cube root, so it's going to be y power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this will exactly give you x power 2 by 2 is nothing but x into, here LCM is 2. So here again 2 by 2 is nothing but. So the right answer is going to be option D. XY is actually the right answer for the given question. Is that clear, guys? Yeah. Just kindly give me a thumbs up if you're really clear with this. We'll go for the next question. Come on. You need to find the value of this. Come on. What is the value of the given question? So if you try to see the numbers, 125, 625 and 729, you can literally write those numbers in powers, right? 125 I can write it as 5 power 3. 625 I can write this as 5 power 4. And 729 I can write this as what? 729 is actually 9 cube. 9 cube is 729. But I can also write this as what? 7 cube can also be written as 9. I can write this as 3 cube. Sorry, 3 square, the whole power 3. So it's going to be 3 power 3 into 2, 6. So I can write 729 as 3 power 6 as well. Okay. So let me just simply substitute it here. So I'll be getting 1 by 125 is 5 power 3, the whole power minus 2 by 3, plus 1 by 5 power 4, the whole power minus 3 by 4, plus 1 by 729 is 3 power 6, the whole power minus 3 by 6. Right. So what I can do exactly now, let me take this, 3 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, 6 gets cancelled, and let me take this 5 power minus 2 to the numerator so that it will become 5 power plus 2 plus 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3. That's it. So it's going to be 25 plus 125 plus 27. So we'll be getting 170. So the answer, it is option B, 177 will give you the right answer for the given question. Just kindly give me a thumbs up if you're clear with this, guys. Come on. Is that clear, everyone? Next question, Polama. Quickly, come on. 132 the whole power 7 into 132 the whole power. Let me take this as x. X no china. So the value of x is what I need to find. Very simple. If the bases are same, if they are in multiple, you need to add it. So it's going to be 132 the whole power 7 plus x is equal to 132 the whole power 11.5. And if the bases are same on both sides, simply equate the powers. The powers will also be same. So a 7 plus x is equal to 11.5, which means x is equal to 11.5 plus 7. Sorry, not plus. It is minus 7. So this will give you option B. 4.5 is exactly the right answer for the given question. Right? Next question, come on, quickly. That is, if 7 power x minus y is equal to 343 and 7 power x plus y is equal to 16,807, what is the value of x? That's your question. So what we can do exactly now, listen carefully. 343, I can write this as 7 power 3. 7 cube will give you 343. And 16,807 if you do, this is actually nothing but 7 power 5. 7 power 5 will give you 16,807. So if at all, if you want to solve all the questions in Surds Indices, we need to have a sound knowledge on the powers. So konjam powers oda value na nalla therinju vechukonu. At least power 5 variyum. Okay. Appo parunga, if it is 7 power x minus y is equal to, let me write this as 7 power 3. And 7 power x plus y is equal to 7 power 5. If the bases are same, I can simply say that x minus y is equal to 3. And here, x plus y is equal to 5. If I simply add these two equations, I'll be getting 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. So the value of x is option 4, option D, 4. That's it. Very good, very good. That's it. Next question, Bogama, quickly. Good. Come on. What for this one? So what is actually the right option for this question? Come on, answer. Very simple question. Good. So if you see here, it is absolutely 3125. Very good, Gayatri, Shiva. If you see here, I can first break the 0.04 as the whole power minus 2.5. Let me just break this as 4 by 100 the whole power minus 2.5. And if I bring this minus 2.5 to plus 2.5, then it's going to be 400 by 4 the whole power 2.5. So this is nothing but if I strike this, it will become 25. So which means 25 the whole power 2.5. Let me just break this as 25 by 10. So this is actually 5 by 2. Right, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but I can write this as what? Square root of 25 the whole power 5. That's what they said. Square root of 25 is nothing but 5. So 5 power 5 if you do, you'll be getting exactly 3120. Right, that's it. So answer it is option C. Very good, guys. Option C, 3125 is exactly the right option. Come on, next question quickly. Find the value for the question mark. This question, fast bolama. So you'll be getting 6 power 6.5 into, this is actually good. 36 is 6 power 2. So 6 power 9 divided by 216 is actually 6 power 3. So 6 power 4.5 into 3, but you know what you'll be getting exactly? You'll be getting 13.5 is equal to 6 power x. Let me take it as, okay. So if I try to add this up, so we'll be getting 6 power 6.5 plus 9 minus 13.5 is equal to 6 power x. So this over there 13.5 minus 13.5 is equal to x. So x will be ultimately option A. 2 is actually the right answer for the given question. Right? It's not C, it is option A. 2 is actually the right answer. Clear? Next question, come on. 6 power m is equal to 46,656. What is the value of 6 power m minus 2? See, whatever a single clue I'll give you if you have a question like this. What you can simply do here, no? The base you have 6. You try to find the powers of 6. You know the fact that 6 power 3 is 216. 6 power 4 and then 6 power 5 and then somehow you will get the value of this. Come on, try to do this. So 6 power 4 is 1296. And 6 power 6 power will be getting 7,776. 6 power 5. 6 power 6 power will be getting 46,656. You have got a lead, that is 6 power m is equal to 6 power 6. The value of m is equal to 6. So they are asking you what is the value of m minus 2. So 6 power 4 It is 1296. Option D. That's it. Just kindly give me a thumbs up if you're clear with this, guys. Come on. Next question, Polama. This one. That is 10 power 222 divided by 10 power 220. You'll be getting 10 power 2, which is nothing but 100. That's it. Getting this, everyone? Next question. Come on, try to solve this. If m and n are whole numbers and m power n is equal to 196, you need to find what is the value of m minus 3 the whole power n plus 1. In the 196 now we will lead. That's what the lead, you need to take it up here. Come on, tell me the right option for this. So, 196, how can you break it down? How can you put it in the powers? You know the fact that 14 square is what? 14 square will exactly give you 196. So, it is understood that m is equal to 14 and n is equal to 2. Correct? You need to find what is the value of m minus 3. That is 14 minus 3 will be 11 and n plus 1. So 11 power 3 is ultimately option D, 1331. That's it. Very good, very good. Here, Tucker will go for the next question. Come on. So 100 power 0.20 is equal to x and 10 power 0.60 is equal to y, and they say x power z. It's not x square, it is actually x power z is equal to y square. So we need to find what is the value of z. That is x is equal to 100 power 0.20 and y is equal to 10 power 0.60. And they say that x power z is equal to y square. X is equal to, let me take this 100 as 10 square. 10 square putting in, you'll be getting 0.40 and I can write this as well. This could be written as 10 power 2/5. Right? Like in the same way, y is equal to 10 power, this can be written as 60/100, which is nothing but 0 goes out, you'll be getting 10 power 3/5. So we've got the value of x to be 10 power 2/5 and y to be 10 power 3/5. Right? And they've said x power z is equal to y square. So x power, carefully, the value of x you know, that is 10 power 2/5, the whole power z is equal to y square. Y square means you'll be getting 10 power 3/5, the whole power 2. So you'll be getting 10 power 2z/5 is equal to 10 power 3 into 2, 6/5. If the bases are same, simply equate the powers. So 2z/5 is equal to 6/5 means z is equal to. So the answer is going to be option D, 3 is actually the right answer for the given question, the value of Z. Is that clear, guys? I hope you guys are clear with this. Yeah. So the second part of Surds Indices will try to see in the next session. Hopefully, until then, it's a very good bye from everyone. Keep learning. Kindly don't waste time on some other stuff, because we are at the end point of the exam. So definitely, I think we hardly have some 20 more days to complete. So do prepare well and